Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at the different modes, face mode, edge mode, and point mode in Blender. Okay, so Blender starts us with a cube. I'm going to come over to the drop down here called object mode, and you could drop this down and go to edit mode. If you want the quick command for that, just be sure you're selected on the object and press tab. Okay, and that will automatically bring you there, or you can use the drop down. From here, it defaults on Vertex mode, or Vertex select they call it. This is also named point mode, and you can select points of an object that I can press G and grab. Okay, I'll undo that. The next mode is edge mode right here, and edge mode, you can see instead of selecting points, we can select edges. So I can press G and Z and lift that up if I like. I can move. I can also scale edges. I can select two edges at the same time by holding shift and grabbing them. I will undo those moves, but that is edge mode. The next mode is called face mode. We typically use this more often. So if I go to face mode, I can click on a face of an object and I can move it around. I can scale it, or I can rotate it. Okay, so those are the three modes in Blender. So we have point, edge, and face. To get out of edit mode, we could select edit mode here and click on object mode to get back.